it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I created this look you see right here. I showed you everything except for my foundation, concealer, and powder. I used the Dream Street palettes, lots of glitter. I wore a wig. And that's what happened. So if you want to watch me create this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna take a shooting star right here. I'm just gonna work this through my crease. I have my eyes primed with Tarte Shape Tape, but I didn't set it with powders because I haven't been doing that, as you guys have been seeing. I feel like my shadows just blend better, which is weird because I used to set my concealer with powder because I thought they would blend better that way, but no, this works better, trust me. I'm gonna take Spark, this pink one right here. I'm taking a little of that and I'm just gonna start working this in my crease as well. I wanna keep a very rounded shape to this. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye cut crease kind of deal. We'll see, stay tuned. I have no idea where this look is gonna go. I'm gonna take Elfish right here just to deepen it a little bit. Right in the crease, I don't wanna bring this up too high. Just kind of place that right here and just kind of sweep it through, still keeping that rounded shape. Not trying to add a ton of that darkness, just enough to deepen that pink shade. I'm taking just a little bit more of that pink and just running that over what I just did, just to keep it nice and pink in the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of Water Bearer and I'm going to place this on the outer and inner portion of my lid. And I really want to just keep it focused there. I don't really want to bring this into my crease at all. Taking that brush with the pink and no product, I'm just gonna lightly soften that edge right where the blue and the pink meet. I'm gonna take Mermaid Boy now and I'm gonna use that same brush I was just using for the other blue shade. And I'm pretty much just gonna do the same thing. I'm kind of gonna pack it on right where I have the other blue. Metallics pull everything together. I don't know how people can stand to just do all matte looks. Taking a tiny bit of pink, I'm just gonna again sweep it over really lightly just to try to tie everything together. I'm going to take that very first brush I was using to lay down that transition shade and just sweep it through everything. I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape now and try to cut the center of my lid, just kind of right above my crease. I'm just going to sort of map it out. And then just kind of drag the concealer down. With my finger, I'm just gonna kind of sort of pat the edges. I can't decide what I want to use for the center of my lid between Sweet Dreams and Kaleidoscope, so I think I'm just gonna mix them together. And I'm gonna use the same brush I was just using to cut out my lid. And I'm just taking that right to the edge where I cut it and just very lightly kind of feathering it out. I'm going to take that brush I laid those blue shades down with no product and I'm just going to very lightly kind of blend these edges out. I'm going to go back with that shadow brush with no product and again just kind of pat over it again, just kind of back and forth. And one more time with that blue brush. Have my foundation, concealer, powder on, obviously. So we're gonna do the lower lash line now. I'm gonna take one of these dual-ended Anastasia brushes and I'm gonna dip into Mermaid Boy. And I'm gonna focus that on the inner and outer portion of the lower lash line, pretty much mimicking what we did on the lid. So I'm taking that same brush, I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. That's the Kat Von D one if that matters to you. And I'm gonna take just Kaleidoscope, I think. No, I'm gonna mix them. Ignore me, I'm mixing them. And I'm gonna place that right in the center, which I never do. I think that's cute, right? So at this point, you can totally leave the look like this. You could highlight your inner corner with Moony right here and it would be super pretty, but I gotta do it up a little bit more. I'm gonna take my Halo highlight, the Give Me Glow one. I'm gonna very messily run this in my inner corner. I know this is a ginormous brush for this, but I have a plan. I'm going to take the Lucid Dreams Festival Glitter from Orglamix. I'm not going to show you it open because I'm not going to spill it everywhere, even though that would make me happy. I'm taking some of the NYX Glitter Primer right on that brush that I was just using. Messily pop it all over this inner region. Pick up some of that glitter and just start putting it places. You don't gotta be too precise. I like this one because it has small pieces and large pieces. It's supposed to hang out in public with my friend tonight and I don't want people to talk to me, so if I have glitter all over my face, maybe no one will. Basically trying to put the universe on my face. So once that looks like that, then you're good. If you do anything with glitters like these, make sure you are using cosmetic grade glitters, because if you use craft glitters, they can get in your eye and they can cut your eye. The Orglamix ones are probably my favorite that I've used. I know not everyone wants to walk around with glitter all over their face, but I'm not like everyone else. So I'm gonna bronze my face using the Becca Bali Sands bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer in the world. My smile lines are something fierce, so that's gonna happen for a second. Just don't look at it. Taking the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, I'm gonna take the shade Endless right here. I'm gonna go with Flexitarian. I gotta do it. I'm sure you're sick of me using the same couple highlighters, but once you have them in your possession, you'll understand why I love them. We might be in dark places tonight, so I need to be able to light our way. This is Daddy from Jeffree Star. Just the tiniest bit of Flexitarian on here. Setting spray. Should I try to put this wig cap on camera? Ugh. Earrings gotta go for right now. Alright, don't come to me for advice on how to wear a wig, because I don't know how to wear a wig. We're just gonna do this together, unless I cut it from the footage. You think this is a good look, guys? I don't know how to do this. Oh, yes. Alright, now let's try the beanie. And if this sucks, I'm taking it all off. See, it's cute with the beanie.
Yeah.
I don't look like myself. So this is the full completed look. Hope you like it. What do you think of this wig? Do I look really weird or is this cute? I'm about to go out in public with this tonight, so I really hope it doesn't look horrifying. I had fun creating this look with the Dream Street palettes. This is what you get. I love the glitter. I'm really happy with this look. Again, I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this little get ready with me style tutorial, it was kind of a mess, but we made it through. Just give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every 2 to 3 days. Let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen someone struggle so hard in your life? So yes, this is... Oh, I need my earrings, guys. Hang on. Stop. Wait. Don't leave me. You know, give it a thumb. Why does this song kind of match this aesthetic? Yeah. Oh no, my hair moved. Now it's tangled. This is so hard. Those of you who wear wigs all the time, let me know how you do it. It's not easy.